Hello again. Welcome to week 5 of advanced writing. The first thing I want to say is that, believe it or not, we are now on week 5 of the course. This means that by the end of this week, we will be a third of the way done with the semester. So the first thing I want to say or encourage is that everyone, if you haven't already, go into Canvas and click on the Grades tab on the left side of the page. Let me know if you have any questions about where your grade is coming from or how you can improve moving forward. Now, when you look at the grades, you will see at this point a grade for the first essay. So everyone at this point should be able to go into Canvas and see my overall comment. You should also be able to see a Word document that you can download and get all of my comments on the right side of the page. Let me know if you cannot see those, and you should be able to see an overall grade. So you should have a pretty good idea of where you are in terms of course grade and how we can move forward with things. All right, so this week we are really picking up on the research that we did for last week. During week 4, we spent the vast majority of our time researching for our brochures. Now, you looked for information about your chosen career and you put it into a Word document. This week, we are taking that very same research and we are turning it into a brochure. This is what I want you to do. Pretend that you have run into someone who doesn't know what they want to do with their life. All right, now create a brochure that will hopefully encourage that person to go into whatever career, whatever field you are trying to go into. So you can use anything from the Word document for last week, but do not feel pressure to use everything. If you take a look at the directions on Canvas, you will see that these brochures only have about 6 panels. That means that you only have about 2 pages of material, actually less, by the time you put in images, bullet points, anything like that. So do not feel like you need to get everything on there. You can't. Look at your Word document from last week, figure out what the most important and most compelling information is, and put it on a 6-panel brochure. On Canvas, you will see full directions for how to do this and how to set it up. You will also see a particularly strong student example and a bunch of other information as well. So, again, what you are trying to do is create a brochure that will convince someone to go into the same field as you. Now, 2 very quick tips. Be as efficient as possible. You actually don't have that much space. So just pick the most important information and get it on there. My second tip, be creative. You get to use images, you get to use different color fonts, whatever you think would encourage someone to go into that field. All right, so as you are working on the brochure, if anything comes up, please let me know, and I really look forward to seeing it.